caps, all capitalized. That is God Adonai. Now, pagka ginamit lang ng capital L, small letter O, or D, it could refer to a human person, Panginoon na tao. But L-O-R-D, all caps, always remember, that's God. So, in short, itong tatlong dumalaw ay pinaniniwalaan ng Christian theologians. They are not merely humans. But the three visitors ay manifestation mismo ng Diyos. No? So, it goes without saying, yung point kanina ni Joan, na kapag ang Panginoon ang nagsalita, magaganap. Always remember that. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Bishop, for explaining. Ang galing. Okay. So, ito na yung nangyari. It is believed that Abraham was really talking. It's not believed. Abraham was really talking to the Lord. Okay? So, ito na tayo. Okay, read with me, and I need you to use your imagination. Okay? Para itong movie na may sound effects, except it really happened. Ready? Are you ready? So, ito nangyari. The two angels arrived at Sodom in the evening. So, siya ay gabi. And Lot was sitting in the gateway of the city. When he saw them, he got up to meet them and bowed down with his face to the ground. My lords, small L, okay? My lords, akala na tao lang. He said, please turn aside to your servant's house. You can wash your feet and spend the night, and then go on your way early in the morning. No, they answered. We will spend the night in the square, in the plaza. But Lot insisted so strongly that they would go with him and entered his house. He prepared a meal for them, baking bread without yeast, and they ate. Before they had gone to bed, ito na, bago silang matulog, before they had gone to bed, all the men from every part of the city of Sodom, both young and old, surrounded the home. They called to Lot, where are the men who came to you tonight? Bring them out to us so that we can have sex with them. Hala, ano ba naman yan? Okay? May bisita ka sa bahay. Lahat ng lalaki sa Batasan Hills pumunta sa bahay mo. Sabi nila, ang gagawin ng mga lalaki dyan sa loob, ilabas ko silang lahat, makikipag-sex kami sa kanila. Can you imagine? Nung binabasa ko to for the first time, I said, oh my God, ganyan ka grabe ang mga nilalang ng Sodom. You get it now? Imagine, hindi naman po, all the men, all over, young and old, oh my God. Kaya talaga, teach your children right there or young, para hindi sila maliglang na hindi. Okay, let's continue. Lot went outside to meet them. Kasi lumabas siya ng pintuan, ha? And shut the door behind him. And said, no, my friends, don't do this wicked thing. Look, I have two daughters who have never slept with a man. Let me bring them out to you, and you can do what you like with them. Ano ba yun? Magulo ka, ha? For they have come under the protection of my roof. Pabili lang sila. Pinapagtahan yung mga anghel kung ibigay din sa mga rapist yung kanyang dalawang anak na babae. Okay. Sabi ng mga lalaki, sasabihin ko ng totoo. Sabi ng mga baging, diba? Sabi ng mga baging, get out of our way, they replied. And they said, this fellow came here as an alien. So sila daw, ikaw dayuhan ka dito? And now he wants to play the judge. We will treat you worse than him. And they kept bringing pressure on Lot and moved forward to break down the door. So, nag-a-advance sila. They're gonna break down, bubuksan nila yung pintuan ni Lot. kunin yung kanyang mga bisita. But, the men, so yung mga anghel sa loob, the men inside reached out, they opened the door, reached out, kinuha sila, and pulled Lot back into the house and shut the door. Then they struck the men who were at the door of the house, young and old, with blindness, so they could not find the door. In short, binulag ni Lord ang mga baling. So, hindi natin mahanap yung pintuan. The two men said to Lot, so sabi ng mga anghel, do you have anyone else here? May manugang ka ba, sons-in-law, sons or daughters, or anyone else in the city who belongs to you? May mga kapamilya ka pa ba dito sa Sodom? Sabi nila, get them out of here, because we are going to destroy this place. The outcry of the Lord against its people is so great that He has sent us to destroy it. Ikukunawin namin ang Sodom, lahat ng mga kapamilya mo, kunin mo na ngayon din. And our response, so Lot went out and spoke to his sons-in-law, kanyang mga manugang, who were pledged to marry his daughters. He said, hurry and get out of this place, because the Lord is about to destroy the city. Ano na naman ang response ng mga manugang? But his sons-in-law thought he was joking. Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang iniisip ng mga tao, nag-joke si Lord. Pinagtawanan na naman. Delikado, no? Delikado ito. Pag also in English, if you laugh at God, minsan kamatayan ang mapapalang. Ito mo nangyari. With the coming of the dawn, sunrise, the angels urged Lot, saying, hurry! Take your wife and your two daughters who are here, or you will be swept away when the city is punished. When he hesitated, nag-alinlangan pa sila. The men grasped his hand and the hands of his wife and his two daughters and led them safely out of the city, for the Lord was merciful to them. So Lot left the city with only his wife and his two daughters. Naiwan everybody else, especially his sons-in-law, because they thought God was joking. Pinagtawanan ulit si God. As soon as they had brought them out, one of them said, sabi ng anghel, flee for your lives. Don't look back. Don't stop anywhere in the plain. Flee to the mountains or you will be swept away. Sabi ng anghel, huwag kayo lilingon. Just run and keep running. Don't look back. Or else mamamatay kayo. But Lot said to them, no, my lords, please. If your servant has found favor in your eyes, and you have shown great kindness to me in sparing my life, but I cannot flee to the mountains. Sabi ni Lot, hindi ko kaya tumira sa bundok. This disaster will overtake me and I'll die. Look, there is a town, may barangay, na malapit lang. I will run to it. It's very small. Let me flee to it. It's very small, isn't it? Then my life will be spared. Sabi ni Lord sa kanya, He said to them, very well, I will grant this request too. I will not overthrow the town you speak of, but flee there quickly, because I cannot do anything until you reach it. That's why the town was called Zoar, meaning small. Ito na. By the time Lot reached Zoar, so malapit na siya dun sa town, the sun had risen over the land, umaga na. Then the Lord rained down burning sulfur on Sodom and Gomorrah from the Lord out of the heavens. Umulan ng apoy sa Sodom and Gomorrah. Scientists believe it was a big volcanic eruption. Because where Sodom is, nakahanap talaga sila ng remnants ng sulfur. Okay. Thus, the Lord overthrew those cities and the entire plain, including those living in the cities, and also the vegetation, so mga halaman na matay. But, so habang nangyayari ito, umuulan ng apoy, tumatakbo sila kasama yung kanyang asawa at dalawang anak. But Lot's wife looked back, lumingon ng asawa. Anong nangyari sa kanya? Siya ay naging asin. Oh my goodness. Paano yung nangyari? Lot's wife looked back and she became a pillar of salt. Early the next morning, Abraham got up and returned to the place where he had stood before the Lord. He looked down toward Sodom and Gomorrah, toward all the land of the plain. He saw dense smoke, may usok, rising from the land, and the smoke from the furnace. So the Lord destroyed the cities of the plain, and he remembered Abraham, and brought Lot out of the catastrophe that overthrew the cities where Lot had lived. Wow! Alright. What's the lesson here? Go. Go. Okay. Like pictures, sige. Show the pictures. Okay? Or your imagination. Running with the wives and daughters next. Yan. Umulan ng apoy. Sino dito ang nakapunta na sa Bicol at nakita niyo yung Mayon volcano? I went to Bicol for the first time, I think 2-3 years ago. I never thought Mayon volcano was so big. It's a giant. As in, it looks like a big city. That's why, di ba yung may torre na oh, yes, yung torre na lang ang natira ng church. That means, under the ground, sa ilalim ng lupa, is a whole civilization. That's probably what happened to Sodom and Gomorrah, probably a big volcano erupted. Kasi when I saw Mayon, I said, oh my God, no wonder. Nakakatakot, ang laki-laki na talaga. So she looked back and she became siya na yan. Naging isang pillar of salt. Ano ang pillar? Yan o yung paligi ng asin. Scientifically, I don't know how that happened. I was trying to research. I didn't see anything. I just know that our body has salt and water. So I don't know if the water evaporated, the grain salt, I don't know. But the Bible says she became a pillar of salt. What am I saying? Next. When God saves you from sin and gives you a new life, don't look back. Okay? Sabihin nyo, don't look back. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, don't look back. Ang background niyan, sila, mayaman. Correct? Sinabi natin kanina, sa reading between sila at mayaman. So kaya siya nag-hesitate. Anong hesitate sa Tagalog? Nag-alinlangan siyang umalis. Kahit sinabi na ni Lord, gugunawin ko na, umalis na kayo. Kasi ang yaman-yaman niya. Siguro siya ang may-ari ng SM Sodom. Hindi ka maiwanan. What about my mall? What about my condos? What about my cars? Diba? Lalo na si Mrs. Siguro si Mrs. What about my shoes? What about my bags? My Louis Vuittons? Okay? What about my hacienda? My farm? Kaya nag-alinlangan sila. But Lord, the Lord is still merciful. Kinuha siya sa kamay. Alam mo, minsan, pag matigas ang ulo mo, dahil mabait ang Lord, talagang kinuha ka na sa kamay. Kahit ayaw mo, pipilitin kita, umalis ka dyan. Kaya kung hindi, mamamatay ka. So they ran. Imagine if you're running away from a volcano. Di ba? If you're running away, iingat ka pa ba? Diba? Ano nangyayari? Bakit lumingon? Sa tingin niya, bakit lumingon ang asawa niya? Ang hina. Siguro nanghinayang siya.